Today's lesson, Chapter 1-6, Algebra, Variables and Expressions. Before we get into today's lesson, it is important to know a few of the words that we will be using today. The main three are algebra, which is simply put the language of symbols. We're going to be using math today that's going to have letters involved, which can be confusing for some people the first time. A variable, in this case, the letter that represents a number. All of the problems are going to have a variable, and we need to know that. And then finally, evaluate, and that simply means to find. So let's jump right into it. Example 1, evaluate 16 plus b if b is equal to 25. What we're going to do is we're going to replace that b. As you can see, I've taken out the b and replaced it with 25. The problem told us that they are the same. Now, instead of having a letter, you simply have 16 plus 25. You add that together, and your answer is 41. Let's do a little bit of a trickier problem now. Example 2. Evaluate x take away y if x is 64 and y is 27. Now in this case, we have to replace both variables with numbers. As you can see, I've taken out the x and the y and replaced them with the proper numbers. That leaves us with a brand new problem. 64 take away 27. Once you do the math, you should get 37 as a final answer. Now, here's a higher level problem. Let's take a look at this one now. Evaluate 5t plus 4 if t is equal to 3. Most people get tricked on a problem like this because they don't know what to do with the t because it's touching a number. Because there is no sign, you have to multiply. Within the second row, you can see I have replaced the t with a 3. It's in parentheses. That means I have to do 5 times 3. In the final row, you'll see that I've done that already. That 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Now you're left with 15 plus 4, leaving you with an answer of 19. That was your review on algebra, variables, and expressions. If you have any questions about what you've just witnessed, please email me or contact me on my website. Thanks a lot and have a great day.